Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will explain another special form of the integration. See, so today's model is given integration may be in the form of integral 1 by a plus b cos x dx, otherwise integration of 1 by a plus b sin x dx, otherwise maybe given problem is in the form of integration of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c dx. Okay, this is the today's model. See, this is very important model, so please listen carefully. Working rule of solving this type of problems. So first of all, we should write the formula of cos x and sin x in tan terms. So that is, suppose this is the given problem, we have the cos term here, so we should replace cos as 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Everybody knows that this is the formula of cos x in terms of tan. We should replace this formula here. Suppose given problem is this one, we should replace sin x by 2 tan of x by 2 over 1 plus tan square of x by 2. Okay, after replacing cos x and sin x values in these integrations, we should replace tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, this is the substitution here using in this problem. First of all, we should write the formula of cos x and sin x in terms of tan. After that, replace tan x by 2 is equal to t in the given problem. So automatically cos x becomes 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square and sin x becomes 2t by 1 plus t square. We should replace the value of dx now. For this purpose, find out the derivative of tan x by 2. Everybody knows that derivative of tan x by 2 is secant square of x by 2. Again the derivative of the internal term x by 2 is 1 by 2 and derivative of x is dx, which is equal to dt. So from this, what is dx value? Take this 2 to numerator, so you should get 2 dt by secant square of x by 2. But already we know that what is secant square x by 2? 1 plus tan square of x by 2. That is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus, what is tan square x by 2 here? T. So it becomes dt. So finally, you should remember that dx is nothing but 2 dt by 1 plus t square whenever we are taking tan x by 2 is equal to t. So to solve this type of problems, first of all we should replace cos and sin values in terms of tan. After that, replace tan x by 2 is equal to t. Automatically dx becomes 2 dt by 1 plus t square. This is the working rule to solve this type of problems. I will give the example now. See. See the problem. Find integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x into dx. Clearly it is in the form of integration of 1 by a plus b cos x into dx. See the solution of this problem. So first let given integration is I. So I is equal to given problem, which is 5 plus 4 cos x. So what is the working rule? We should replace the value of cos x in terms of tan. Please write the formula of cos x in terms of tan, which is 5 plus 4 times of 1 minus tan square x by 2 whole by 1 plus tan square of x by 2 into dx. Okay, if it is sine, you have to write the formula of sin x in terms of tan. Okay, now we should replace tan x by 2 is equal to t. So whenever we are taking the tan x by 2 is equal to t, immediately you will get the value of dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. It is not necessary to write the proof here. Directly you can take dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So with this, the above step becomes I is equal to integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 into, here we are taking tan is t only, so you will get 1 minus t square. We are taking tan x by 2 is equal to t, that's why it is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square whole into, what is dx? Here dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now take the LCM in the denominator. So 1 by, what is the LCM in the denominator? 1 plus t square is the LCM. Maybe board is not visible here, so I will write here. So integration of 1 by, take the LCM. What is the LCM here? 1 plus t square. So 5 times of 1 plus t square. Plus take this 4 to inside. 4 minus 4t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So clearly this 1 plus t square, this 1 plus t square getting cancelled. In the numerator 2 is the constant term, take outside from the integration. 2 by, and simplify the remaining terms in the denominator. So 5 times of 1, 5t square plus 4 minus 4t square into dt is equal to 2 whole into, so what is 5t square minus 4t square? T square. 5 plus 4 which is 9. 9 can be written as directly 3 square. So clearly we are observing that this is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula for integration of 1 by x square plus a square? It is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, which is very very important formula. According to this formula, you will get 2 into 1 by a. What is a value? 3 into tan inverse of x by a means t by 3. Integration is completed, that's why add the constant c. So 2 by 3 times of tan inverse of 1 by 3. At the climax step, you should replace the value of t. What is the value of t here? Tan x by 2 plus c. In this way, we can crack the given problem. See the another example now. See the next problem. Find integration of 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x into dx. Clearly this is in the form of integration of 1 by a plus b sin x. So first of all, take the given integral as I, which is 1 by integral 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x. So immediately you should replace the formula of sin x in terms of tan. Okay, 1 by 4 plus 5 into 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 whole into dx. So we should take tan x by 2 is equal to t now. So directly you will get dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Remember one thing, it is not necessary to prove the value of dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So in previous step, whenever we have tan x by 2, replace it by t and the value of dx by 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So automatically above problem becomes I is equal to integration of 1 by 4 plus 5 times of 2t whole by 1 plus t square into the value of dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So 2 is the constant term, take outside from the integration. 1 by, and take the LCM in the denominator. So 4 times of 1 plus t square, because here we have only 1 in the denominator, so you should multiply this numerator 4 with 1 plus t square. So which is 4 plus 4t square, 5 times of 2t is 10t into dt by 1 plus t square. So we are observing that this 1 plus t square, this 1 plus t square getting cancelled. So the remaining term is 2 times of integration 1 by, please write in order, which is 4t square, so plus 10t plus 4. We are observing that the problem gets the form of integration of 1 by quadratic term, which is very first type. So given integration is in the form of integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, here variable is t. So first make the coefficient of x square is 1. So take common out the term 4 from the denominator. So you will get 2 by 4 into 1 by t square plus 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2 into t plus 1, because here already we have 4, that's why. So it becomes half into integration of, now we should transform the denominator into the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, so for that purpose t square plus 2 times of t into, divide with 2, already 2 is there in the denominator, so you will get 5 by 4. Now the value of b is 5 by 4, so you can add 5 by 4 whole square and subtract with 5 by 4 whole square. So the balance term in the denominator is plus 1 into dt. Okay, the problem is automatically transformed to first model, that's why. Now we can write first 3 parts as, see the structure of the first 3 terms, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A value is t, b value is 5 by 4. So 1 by t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus, what about this one? This is minus 25 by 16 plus 1. So 16 is the LCM, minus 25 plus 16, which is 9. 9 by 16 minus 9. Don't forget negative sign. So 9 by 16 directly can be written as 3 by 4 whole square into dt. So we are observing that this is in the form of integration 1 by x square minus a square form. What is the formula for integration of 1 by x square minus a square? 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. According to this formula, this becomes half into 1 by 2a. 2 into what is a value? 3 by 4 into log mod t plus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 over t plus 5 by 4, x value is t plus 5 by 4, a value is 3 by 4 plus c. I will write the next step here, c. Here 2 2s are 4, this 4 getting cancelled. So remaining term is 1 by 3 into log mod t plus, take the LCM for these 2 terms, 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. You will subtract the numerators, 5 minus 3, which is 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 over here t plus 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 4 means 2 plus c. So 1 by 3 into log mod, take the LCM in the numerator, it becomes 2t plus 1 by 2t plus 4. Another 2 is there, you should multiply here, 2t plus 4 plus c. So 1 by 3 into, we should replace the value of t in the climax step. The value of t is tan of x by 2 plus 1 over 2 into tan of x by 2 plus 4 plus c. So in this way we can crack the problem when given integration is in the form of integration of 1 by a plus b cos x, otherwise integration of 1 by a plus b sin x dx. First we should write the formula of sin x and cos x in terms of tan. After that you should take tan x by 2 is equal to t. Automatically dx value becomes 2 dt by 1 plus t square. That is the procedure. In the next class I will give some more problems on this model. Thank you.